Well, hello, this is Dean DeLisle, Chief Revenue Officer here at S2A Modular, bringing you another Modular Minute. So, those of you that have been following along, we've been covering the McKinsey Report that came out last year. And really, they talk about construction disruption, the next normal, the new normal, which is really here. And it references modular. So, one of the things we're covering today is number 5, which is customer centricity, and branding. What does all that mean? Sometimes that sounds like some mumbo jumbo, right? So when you think about this, you think of productization. What does that mean? Packaging, bundling, creating products out of what you're building, not just building houses, but maybe renewable energy smart tech homes, or we have ours Green Lux, which is a brand that has lowest voltage, lowest amperage builds in the world. So things like that. And so, turning development, your engineering, construction services into really easy to market products or solutions, right? So, what about if construction is actually a solution? And if you think about it, it is. So, if you have a renewable energy smart school or an office, now all of a sudden you've addressed COVID, things like that. So, we looked at designs and we really modified things so that you have clean rooms and stations and ways to disinfect in and out of buildings, even homes, that is innovative and it's different. And so when you start seeing that on our website, you'll see hashtag Green Lux, and you'll notice lowest amperage, lowest voltage, the organic materials that we put in it are fire reflective, termite proof. They don't mold. Imagine that, don't mold. So those are just some quick examples, but this is something that really has to happen, and you're seeing a lot of this in the marketplace. So from that, just make sure you stay tuned for the next Modular Minute, and we'll cover the next piece. You can go back if you missed any. You can go forward if you want to see some more. So from all of us here at S2A Modular, we appreciate you, and we'll see you real soon.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thanks so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors.